What is the Dustless Blasting business opportunity? The Dustless Blasting business model is simple. You get paid to make old things new again. You'll perform a wide variety of mobile paint stripping and cleaning jobs that your community needs, such as automotive restoration, graffiti removal, marine maintenance, and more. Is it a franchise? Dustless Blasting is not a franchise. There are no fees or royalties ever. You truly own your business. You make all the decisions and keep all the profits. You still get some of the benefits that come with traditional franchises, like brand recognition and pre-made marketing materials. Do you have any financing options? Dustless Blasting is proud to offer a financing option for your purchase. We offer commercial loans, not personal loans, which require you to register a business name before funds can be received. For smaller purchases through the online store that are $10,000 or less, there's an instant financing option. Simply select Pay with Klarna at checkout and you'll be guided through the process. What services can I offer? With the Dustless Blasting machine, you'll be able to offer things such as automotive restoration, graffiti removal, powder coating removal, marine maintenance, concrete cleaning, wood restoration, stripe and curb paint removal. Dustless Blasting equipment also lets you offer additional services like painting, priming, sealing, and even vapor disinfection, so you can make more money on every job. How much money can I make? Our owners earn on average $300 per hour of blasting. Since Dustless Blasting allows you to make more money in an hour than many people make in a day, it truly pays for itself in no time. Visit dustlessblasting.com to learn more.